DWI penalties in today's day and age are really, really severe. First one, if it's reduced down to a driving while ability impaired, you're looking at a minimum fine of $300 to a maximum of $500. It's a $260 surcharge on top of that. You got a 90-day loss of your license. You have to attend a drinking driving program that could be about $225. $75 for a conditional license, and then you got to pay $50 at the end to get your license back, license suspension termination fee. Then for the next 3 years, the DMV is going to surcharge you $250 a year for 3 years. If you're required to go to counseling, you're going to have, on top of the drinking driving program, or they call it the impaired driving program now, you're going to have pay for that. So it can be very, very expensive. License-wise, your license will be suspended for 90 days, and if it's your first offense, you can get what's called a conditional license. It gives you permission to drive to and from work and necessary medical things, and 3 hours on the weekend to run errands. But beyond that, you're restricted, and if you get caught driving outside of your conditions, you can be charged additionally for that. If you're convicted of a misdemeanor DWI, whether it be an aggravated DWI or a regular misdemeanor DWI, the penalties can vary. On a regular DWI, $500 to $1,000 fine with a $400 surcharge. On the aggravated DWI, it's $1,000 to $2,500 fine with a $400 surcharge. And in each instance, you're looking at up to 3 years probation, up to a year in jail. And in both instances, you would have to put an ignition interlock device in your car. So every time you operate the vehicle, you got to blow in it to make sure that you are have not consumed alcohol. Revocation for licenses are a little different. 6 months on the regular DWI, 1 year on the aggravated DWI. And again, you can get a restricted license, conditional license, after you're convicted, and that conditional license would flow throughout the entire revocation period, as long as you do the impaired driving program and follow any other terms and conditions that the court deems appropriate for your sentencing.